Bom dia, hello guys, how are you? Como estão? I'm Karolinti from karolinti.com and this is European Portuguese lesson. Today you will learn how to ask and answer to the questions what do you eat, what do you drink for breakfast, lunch and dinner in Portuguese. Fiquem comigo! Hello again, hola pessoal. Before we start our lesson, I just want to say thank you for your support and positive feedback to Katerina, Antti, Spike, Cory, Vera, Aruna, Lamia, Camilla. You guys are the best. Okay, having that said, we can go to our lesson. To ask and answer to the questions what do you eat and what do you drink for breakfast, we need to repeat verbs to eat and to drink in Portuguese. We need to repeat names of the meals in Portuguese. Of course, we have to repeat how to make questions in Portuguese and in the end choose the right preposition. Verb comer means to eat. Verb beber means to drink. Let's conjugate those regular verbs with er ending. Eu como. Tu comes. Ela, ele, você come. Nós comemos. Elas, eles, vocês comem. And the verb beber. Eu bebo. Tu bebes. Ela, ele, você bebe. Nós bebemos. Elas, eles, vocês bebem. Great job, everyone! You have your first step done for today. By the way, link to the lesson about regular verbs with er ending you can find now somewhere on the screen. I'm not sure where, but I'm sure you can find it as well in the description box below. Now, do you remember names of the meals in Portuguese? You do? Great! Breakfast is o pequeno almoço. O pequeno almoço is a meal that Portuguese usually eat between 7 and 9 o'clock in the morning. Next meal is o almoço. O almoço Portuguese usually eat between 12 and 2 o'clock. So we can translate this meal as English lunch. The last one, but the most important meal, is eaten by Portuguese between 8 and 10 o'clock in the evening. It's called o jantar, which means dinner. Okay, names of the meals in Portuguese are repeated. Well done you! Next one, we have to repeat how to make questions in Portuguese. If you need a hint, link to the lesson about it, you can find somewhere here on the screen right now and in the description box below. Here we need to make a question, what do you eat for breakfast? What in Portuguese is que, but que is put in the questions only when is followed by a noun. In our case, next word is verb to eat, comer. So all we have to do is to add o before que. We come up with o que come pequeno almoço. Question pronoun is chosen. Now it's time to choose appropriate preposition. What preposition is needed over here? What preposition means in Portuguese for? In this case, it's a preposition a. Link to the lesson about preposition a you can find now somewhere on the screen and of course in the description box below. Let's go back to our question, remembering that pequeno almoço has masculine article. O que come ao pequeno almoço? O que come ao pequeno almoço? And the answer, for example, ao pequeno almoço como frutas. Ao pequeno almoço como frutas. Link to the lesson about basic food vocabulary you can find now on the screen and in the description box below as well. The next question is, what do you drink for breakfast? Ao pequeno almoço bebo chá. Ao pequeno almoço bebo chá. I think that another question with o almoço, you can do it on your own. How to say what do you eat for lunch in Portuguese? O que come ao almoço? O que come ao almoço? Ao almoço como sandes. Ao almoço como sandes. And the next one, what do you drink for lunch? O que bebe ao almoço? O que bebe ao almoço? Ao almoço, bebo sumo. Ao almoço, bebo sumo. And the last questions, what do you eat for dinner? What do you drink for dinner? O que come ao jantar? O que come ao jantar? Ao jantar, como frango e batatas fritas. Ao jantar, como frango e batatas fritas. And drink, what do you drink for dinner? O que bebe ao jantar? O que bebe ao jantar? Ao jantar, bebo vinho. Ao jantar, bebo vinho. E você, o que você normalmente come e bebe ao pequeno almoço, ao almoço e ao jantar? Let me know in the comment section down below. That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this lesson helped you in making simple questions and answers about your meals. Let me know about it in the comment section down below. For more content, you can see my previous lessons. Don't forget also to leave your thumbs up, share and subscribe. Take care and I see you soon. Até já!